Today's property is a stunning 1,615 square foot duplex with so many amazing features. It is fully custom with access to everything that you could want at an incredible price. Now, wherever you are in the world, this is for you, and we're going to get into it right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble. If you don't already know, I'm a realtor committed to bringing you the best property walkthroughs in all of Austin, guys. Today, I want to give credit to the listing agent, Keith Duble. This is actually my project, and it's one of our 4 units that we're building. Our incredible builder and our development team have really come together to put the best forward for a buyer on this property. Now, some of the things you'll notice as we walk through this house is how much storage there is, the height of the ceilings on the second floor, all of the character and charm, the size of the lot. It's almost 0.23 acres. It's got beautiful little finishes like a mudroom sitting area. It's got built-ins upstairs, a custom little office for like an efficiency office, and again, so many wonderful features, as well as a upper deck in the upstairs facing out into the backyard. It's absolutely beautiful, guys, and I can't wait to take you through this again. This is, as I mentioned, 1,600 square feet. It is really close to what's called Mueller. Some people call it, I think it's originally called Miller, but M-E-U-L-L-E-R, something like that. It's got the Thinkery, which is the Dell Children's Thinkery, which is the Children's Museum. It's got access to shopping and dining and entertainment. It's minutes from the interstate. It's also minutes from downtown Austin. And this area is just exploding. I mean, it is exploding. This location's on Manor Road, and it's got so many amazing features. So we did this waterfall countertop, air switch, garbage disposal, the soap dispenser, the cabinets, lots of storage space in this kitchen. For the size that it is, you have a tower of cabinets just behind me, and the middle one is where the microwave goes. We have this sliding door with access to this massive covered patio. And again, the lot is almost a quarter acre. Extremely hard to find in this part of Austin. We have all of the sod back there. You can just enjoy this back space, all of the shade trees. We put up this fence recently. It is beautiful. So just kudos to our builder who really put the heart and soul into this property, just killed it helping us get this together. I love, you turn around, you'll see again, this is one of 4 units, 1,600 square foot, 3 bed, 2 bath. And you can see there's that awesome deck that is, views into the backyard. You have your HVAC unit that is mounted to the back of the wall up there for efficiency, and your hot water heater as well. And we're going to go back inside here. You'll see through that picture window there. Sorry, guys, I didn't put the hose away. We were watering the yard. Through that picture window is an awesome seating area. You'll see momentarily. It is really cool. It's a little seating area. We have these live edges on all of the wood accents that you'll see. And you can just sit down, put your shoes on, whatever you need, drop your stuff, and you have views into the backyard. Of course, you have that ceiling fan back there, which is really, really lovely. And there's all your hooks and your shelf and your seating area. Excuse me. So we had the hooks, the shelf, the seating area, the live edge, and you can open these doors here, and this is where your laundry room is going to be. You have the window that looks out to the front there, and guys, there's just so many windows. The light in this place is great, and even though we did install a ton of can lights all throughout this unit, really what brings in the light is all these windows. It's a really efficient, just use of space. We did spray foam insulation in the walls to really improve energy efficiency. And guys, we're just asking, I think right now asking on this property is $579. Comps are putting this property somewhere over $600 based on the comps, but we have decided to be aggressive, and we still have, so there's built-in equity right out of the gate on this property. So whoever buys this based on the comps that we have today, it's priced extremely well. We've been getting some good interest. I don't think this one's going to last terribly long, but I wanted to get it out because I wanted the world to see this beautiful project. I love the rails that just have that kind of, it's just a divide there between the steps. Of course, by code, we have to have something there, but I love kind of the artsy accent. Now, if you turn left out that window, you'll actually see a view to downtown. I don't like zooming in with my camera, so I didn't show it to you, but there is a view of downtown. There is a live edge built-in desk here, which is awesome with these 2 sconces that provide obviously some light to the space. The window opens out to the backyard, and there's an additional closet at the end of this little hall here, which is great. Now, right behind me is a full bath that is really spacious, and there's built-ins in this pony wall here between the walkway and the stairwell. So you see this full bath here with the double vanity and these sconces on the side. And this is it's a vertical subway tile that we put into that shower space, and just a really good layout here. And you can, go having showers while someone's in the bathroom. So just a really good kind of divider here for maximization of space. We have the double niche recessed into the wall there. We're gonna come back around. I can't wait to show you the owner's suite. But man, these beautiful built-ins here, you can use that for decoration or book storage or whatever you want. Again, just maximization of storage. We do have the Ecobee thermostats throughout the entire house. I love the decorative beam in the owner's suite, and the view down into the backyard here is just so lush and beautiful. That grass, it just is taking so well. It just loves that spot. That beam, again, is just a decorative accent we wanted to put in there. It's beautiful. And then we have this awesome double vanity and all of the space in the owner's bath. This really is one of the crown jewels of the house. This frameless glass shower, this massive shower with that rain head. And then, of course, you have the wand and the double niche. And then we have above it that skylight. And that skylight, again, just brings in so much light. Large owner's closet, and then there's a kind of a laundry nook in there as well with some shelves above it. So just a great layout, good use of space. Double vanity's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful layout here. We're very excited about this property. We didn't stage that room because I just wanted to demonstrate just how large it is. It's really, really large, beautiful space. Okay, so we have that hall closet here, additional storage. So this is the second closet upstairs. You have bedroom number 2 with a ceiling fan, and then of course you have the walk-in closet over here on the left side. And if you go out these windows, you'll see there's that same view that the window by the office shows. It's the view of downtown. And you can see the Frost Tower down Manor, and you can see a few other buildings. It's not a view that you could get from standing on a skyscraper downtown, but it is a view of downtown. It's beautiful. It's really cool. So we were actually surprised when we got this property and we started building. We were like, whoa, there's a view of downtown. We didn't realize it. So again, the view down into the backyard is great. We have this second bedroom. They're all generously sized. I mean, pretty good sized bedrooms, ceiling fans, and all of them. Of course, you have the strip closet. The walk-in is in the other bedroom. This is the strip closet on this side. And stick around because I'm going to show you the outdoor upper deck outside here, which is really cool because you can stand outside here and it's, just access and little views and so forth, which is really cool. Now, that patio on the first floor, it actually has a stub out for a grill. Excuse me. So if you have, if you enjoy grilling, you can connect that directly to the natural gas and you can grill right there. So these rails are lovely. And again, we have the 2 other units on the other side. There's this unit that we did that teak. That's all teak, stained teak, which is just so charming, a beautiful finish. And we have teak on the ends of both sides of each one of these units. So there's 4 units. And I believe this door on Unit A faces south, and then Unit B faces north, and the same for the other 2. This is 5603, the other one is 5601, and they both have north and south-facing units. So right out that window, kind of hard to see. Oh, maybe I do. I do view. Yeah, there it is. It's not a great view. I mean, with my camera, but yeah, there's the frost tank. There's the Austonian. Frost Tower and the Austonian. So yeah, I guess I did get a view there. I forgot that I did that. I did this about a week ago. And man, just super cool. So we're going to come downstairs here and wrap, but I just wanted to encourage you, if you have any questions about this unit, definitely hit me up. I would love to answer them for you. If you would like to come and schedule a showing or whatever you need, just let me know. I'll be happy to accommodate you guys. Guys, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to go on this tour with me. In a minute, YouTube is going to make a couple of recommendations at the end of this video. Please feel free to peruse our channel. We would love to have you here. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. In the description on this video, we have various little downloads that you can get absolutely free. If you like a guide to your best brunch places, download that. If you want communities with waterfront, download that free guide. If you want one that is community with the best views, we have that too. Download that And I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. Greatly appreciate you guys. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you guys on the next one.